Hi, this is Visit Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove header and footer from your Microsoft Word document. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Microsoft Word is a popular word processing program that professionals in many industries use in their daily work. One feature that Word offers is the ability to add and remove header and footer in users' document. If you use Word in your work, it may be helpful to learn about how to remove your header and footer when editing your document. On my previous video, I've shown you how to insert header and footer, how to edit header and footer, but now what if you want to remove it from your Word document? It's very simple. So first of all, you can open your Word document. You can choose on the file that you want to remove the header and footer. So here, as you can see in here, I have header and also footer on my Word document. It's called header, and this one called footer. If you want to remove it, you can just go to the ribbon menu on the insert section. Click on the insert section. You can click on header to remove the header. You'll find there is an option remove header. You can just click on that. So now you have clean header on your Word. Now, if you want to remove it, you can choose on footer and remove footer. So now you don't have any header or footer on your Word document. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove header and footer on your Word document. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!